Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer music from your PC to your Android phone wirelessly without using a USB cable using a free tool called AnyDroid. Let's get started. First, download and install AnyDroid on both your PC and your Android phone. You can get it from the official mobile website on your computer and from the Play Store on your phone. Next, open an AnyDroid on both devices. On your phone, tap the scan icon at the right corner. After that, a QR code that appears on your computer screen. This connects both devices wirelessly. Once connected, go to your PC and select Add Content in the AnyDroid app. This lets you choose which files to send to your Android. Now browse your PC and select the music files you want to transfer. Click open once here. You're ready. Check the selected items, then click next. After that, files will be transferred wirelessly to your phone internal storage. You will now see them inside your music player or file manager. And that's how you can transfer using uh, uh, you can transfer music from PC to Android without USB cable. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.